RecoveryFix launched an amazing tool for repairing damaged PST files, and this video describes the smooth working of the tool. Download RecoveryFix for Outlook PST Repair from the website and launch it. As you launch the tool, you can see the welcome screen. On the UI of the tool, there are two steps. Step 1. Select PST file to repair. Step 2. Select repairing mode. In Step 1, use Browse button, which locates you to system hard disk, so that you can quickly add damaged PST file. In Step 2, you can choose either standard or advanced mode, as per your data damage intensity. Then move to Next to proceed further. The software will take few seconds and scan your entire PST file. All the PST items are listed on the left pane of the software with a tree-like structure. Select the folder to preview the data before saving. After viewing your data, use Save button to save your repaired PST file. In Saving Option windows, it has two saving options. You can choose either MS Outlook or Outlook Express. If you choose Outlook Express, then it allows you to save files in two formats, either in OEStore or in EML format. Select format as per your requirement, then uses the Browse button to give specific file saving path. Check Remove Top of Personal folder from the hierarchy in Outlook Express. If you want to remove it, or uncheck if you don't want. MS Outlook. If your desired file saving option is MS Outlook, then select MS Outlook. It offers two file saving format. You can save either in PST or in MSG file. Then use Browse button to give specific file saving path. While saving in PST, you can use splitting criteria as per your requirements. Check Remove Top of Personal folder from the hierarchy in MS Outlook. If you want to remove it, or uncheck if you don't want. And you can also add a prefix to your PST file before saving. Once you are all done, use the OK button to complete the process. The software will take few minutes. Then once your files are successfully saved, click on OK to close the window, and then you can also check your repair PST file on the location you provided at the time of saving. Thank you for watching this video.